Hello everyone! In today's video, we will be making a side gather skirt that even beginners can create easily. Let's get started. First, prepare rectangular shapes for the front and back pieces. Optionally, you can add 1 inch to each sideline of the hem to give it a trapezoid look. You will need 1 front and 2 back panels. Next, prepare the side tops by dividing the hip width by 4 and adding seam allowance by crotch depth. For example, mine is 5 inches by 11 inches. Mark the center lines of the top and bottom. And optionally, mark 1 inch down from the center line and connect the corners on both sides to cut into triangle shape. You will need 2 pieces of side tops. To create the side gather, multiply 2 times the width of the side top by the length of the remaining skirt. In other words, 2 times the side top width by the skirt full length minus crotch depth, which for me is 10 inches by 17 inches. You will need 2 pieces. Mark the center lines. For the side pockets, you have a 7 by 11 inches rectangular shape. Connect 2 inches and 7 inches from the corner before cutting. This will be the pocket entrance, and you will need 2 pieces. As the waistband, I'm using the fabric material as a waistband from an old skirt. You can use any size of the elastic band you have, but make sure to add the folded part inside the skirt when determining the length of the skirt. Now let's sew. First, do a loosen stitch with the length button set to max and the width button to 0. Align the center lines of the side top and bottom. And carefully pull the upper thread on both sides to match the width. And sew. Remove by pulling loosened stitch thread, and then serge or zigzag. For the seam allowance toward the top, and do top stitches. Do the same for the other side. Attach to the front panel of both sides and serge or zigzag. Attach the back panels and serge or zigzag. And then attach the side and back, then back and other side, and serge or zigzag stitches. Fold twice or sides, and sew. Place the pocket to the skirt and sew on 3 sides of the pocket except for the entering part. Do the same for the other side of the pocket. Fold twice of the top part to the width of the elastic band and sew, leaving an opening. If you have already finished serging or zigzag the edge, it's okay to fold it once. Sew, leaving an opening. In my case, I'm going to attach the elastic fabric band to my skirt directly. Fold the end of the edge and sew. Thank you for watching.